Hi there, in today's video there are beautiful nail art designs using no tool. Yes, you are right. I am trying to share with you some beautiful pictures of nail art with no tools. There are several ways to create stunning nail art designs without specialized tools. Here are some ideas to consider. You can try two-tone nails. You can simply paint half of your nail one color and the other half a different color. Or you can also try some sponged umber. Take a small piece of any makeup sponge or dish sponge. Paint two colors side by side and then dab it onto your nails. And third one is a splatter nails and strip nails or even dotting nails. If you have no dotting tool, then you can use a toothpick or any matchbox stick to create dots on your nails. You can also try dry brush technique. Wipe off most of the nail polish from the brush and then drag it over your nail for a distressed artistic look. For marble effect, drop a few different colors onto your nail and then swirl them together using a toothpick or any tip of a pin, and it looks so beautiful, easy. And you can also use some fan effects, gradient with brush, or even fingerprint. Dab your finger on your nail polish nails and it looks so beautiful. Try out these design. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.